Morning, you two. It's Tuesday, the 12th of January, and this is going to be our fifth English lesson on our rainbow unit now that we're doing. Okay, so I'm just going to talk you through the challenge that I'd like you to do today. It's not going to be a big challenge, so what you'll need to do is you'll need to reread the information, or you could re-watch the video that I sent yesterday, which had me reading the rainbow text, didn't it? So what we've got here is it's basically it's explained, isn't it? It's information that it's giving us. So it's giving us facts about a topic and it's explaining the cause of things. So it's giving us facts about rainbows, isn't it? And why things happen to those rainbows. So the text would always have a title, an opening sentence which tells you what the text is about, and some facts that tell you why something's happening, and they might have some pictures and some diagrams. So what I would like you to do is reread that information that's in front of you and see if you can find a title, an opening sentence that tells you what it's about, some facts that explains why something happens, and the pictures and diagrams, okay? So I'm going to pause it. I want you to pause this video now whilst you go read that, and then we're going to, when you're ready, we're going to unpause it and go through and see if we can find those bits together, okay, as a group. Okay? Right, okay. We're going to have a look. Right, the first one is a title. So let me go back up to that information and see if there is a title. Let's have a look here. Oh, I think I've gone a little bit too far. Where my information is, was it here? Yes. So my title is here. It is rainbows. Just highlighted that there. You could maybe highlight that or just put a line underneath it. That'd be a good idea. And then you can tick it on your sheet down here. An opening sentence that tells us what the text is about. So tells us what this is going to be telling us about. Let me go see if we've got that here. Let's have a look. Okay, so we've got rainbows. So it says here, a rainbow is an arc of colour in the sky that can be seen when the sun comes out during or after a rainstorm. So it's telling us there about the rainbow. So that is telling us what that information is about, isn't it? Has it got a series of facts explaining why something happens? I feel like it has, but I'm just going to check because I feel like it spoke about an optical illusion. I feel like it spoke about how the types of rainbows are formed. Yeah, this type of rainbow is formed when sunlight strikes. It's giving us lots of information here, isn't it? Yeah. And here I can see my last question that says about diagrams, and I can see we've got a diagram here. I think we've got a few different diagrams. Got a diagram here, haven't we? The next job is, so we're going to tick all those because we've found that information. There's also an extra challenge. So if you have got any information books at home, or you can use the computer, you can click on this here, or you can type this in. I might share this whole booklet actually with you because then it might be easier for you to click on the link and see if you can use your reading skills to find this information. So see if you can find a title, an opening sentence, and then I want you to write down what you found. So let me click on this and see what it's going to bring up. Don't know if it's going to work. Oh yeah, it's going to work. Let's have a look. Let's click on it's just going to find out. What do you want to find out? Let's click on one of these, and then you could animals and nature. Let's go for that one. Let's go for Dogs, because I've got a dog called Peggy. Domestic dogs, so dogs that are like in that you've got as pets. Let's have a look. Oh, then you can click on the type of dog you want to find out about. I'm going to click on a Labrador because that's what Mrs. Cochrane's got. Okay. Gun dogs were developed to carry out specific tasks and work closely with hunters. The Labrador Retriever, shown here, was trained to collect fallen prey and bring it back to the hunter. Today, Labradors make excellent pets and are used as guide dogs for the blind. They do make excellent pets. I would definitely agree with that information there. So there's a few different links here that you could click on to help you find out some information, but you could also just have a look at an information book that you've got at home to see some different facts there, couldn't you? So I'm going to just have a look here further down what your task is going to be for today after you've done the reading and the ticking of the different things. You can write the title here, the opening sentence here, the key facts, a fascinating fact, or a photograph. If you haven't got an information book at home, or if you're in the classroom and you haven't got we do have some information books in the classroom, so you should be able to do that. But if you cannot find some information any other way, you can use the information that we've got here, okay? So you can write your title here, your opening sentence, and your key facts, okay? So that is your job for today. If your workbook has got a different lesson above at the top of this page, then just ignore it, okay? This is what is lesson 5, okay? That is what I would like you to do for your job today, is to fill out this bit. Okay? See you later, year 2. Happy learning. Remember, capital letters, amazing letter formation, finger spaces, and full stops at the end of your sentences, okay? We need to be trying so hard with our learning at home, okay? Keep sharing your work on WeDuck as well. Amazing. See you later, year 2. Bye.